Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today in this video we are going to see a very interesting concept in class 5 which is symmetry. So what is symmetry? For example, you take an apple. See, it is a full apple, isn't it? It's a whole apple. Now when you cut it into, you want to share among you and your friend. So what do? We make it into two equal pieces. So when you cut it into two halves, we get two halves like this. This is one half, this is one half. This is for you and this is for your friend. Okay. And who is getting the bigger piece? Anybody is getting a bigger piece? You or your friend? No, you both are getting the same size and shape, equal pieces. Look at it, these two pieces, they look so similar, means they look very same. One matches on the other exactly. They are both are same in shape and size. So as we can divide an apple into two equal pieces, the apple is symmetrical. It has a property of symmetry. And observe the many more figures which we see in our environment, in nature. See, look, observe this leaf. Is it not symmetrical? See, this is the line. This is the center line, and this left hand side is just the same as the right hand side. So you keenly observe this pink design that is exactly same on both the sides of this vein, this center line. You look at the design and this dark shade and this thin green shade you can see along the corner. Even that is so same on both the sides. Such symmetry only makes the things in the nature so beautiful. Okay. Now see this leaf. This is also so symmetrical. This line, both the halves are equal in shape and size. When you fold it like this, the two portions match on each other exactly. So this can be divided into two equal parts. One matches on the other. Same way this leaf also, it matches on the other exactly. And look at this circle. There is one star here. This, if you draw a line here, and this part is same as this part. Like this, many more things can be observed in nature. And look at it, this figure. When you draw this design, symmetrical, see these four lines are equal and all the four petals are equal with each other. So it looks so beautiful when it is symmetric. See, it is divided two equal parts. Divided into equal parts. This way you can draw a line, this way you can draw a line. All the ways, it is both the parts are equal. But look at it, one is big and one is small. So which looks beautiful? This looks very beautiful because it is symmetric. And look at this smiley face. It looks so beautiful, so smiley, so happy face because it is so symmetric. And look at this face. Does it look good? Which one looks good? This or this? So this one naturally, this looks good. So always the symmetrical figures are very beautiful. Now look at this peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird, isn't it? Why it looks so beautiful? Because of its beautiful feathers. And feathers look beautiful because the designs, the colors and the shape, everything is so symmetric. Look at this. This is the line of symmetry. This is a center line. If you divide into two parts, this portion is exactly same as this portion. Every design, all the colors, everything is so symmetrical. So that makes the feather of the peacock so beautiful. So like this, many things can be observed in nature itself. See a butterfly. Butterfly is also beautiful because of its symmetry. It is, see, when you draw a line here, this is equal to this. Then Taj Mahal. This is one of the, world's seven wonders of the world. It looks so, Taj Mahal is an example of such a beautiful architecture. So because of its symmetry, it is so symmetrical about both the sides. And face of an owl. And what is this? Face of a joker. See, it is so symmetrical. When you draw a line, the left hand side is same as the right hand side. Therefore, now we can understand what symmetry is. It is an exact match of two halves of an object. The object can be anything. It can be anything. It can be a butterfly. It can be an apple. It can be a leaf. Anything. But two halves. Halves mean this is one half. This is one half. This halves. What is the meaning of half? Half of an apple. They each half. They match with each other exactly. That is the meaning of symmetry. Now take a shape like this. Does it have a proper shape? It has no proper shape. That is, it is called irregular. It has no proper shape. What is called irregular. Can it have a line of symmetry? You fold it and check however you fold. In whatever you fold, are the edges matching? Are the two parts matching with each other? In whatever way you try, see, in however you fold and in whatever way you try, the folds will never meet. The edges are not matching with each other. So this kind of irregular shapes, they are called irregular because they don't have a proper proper shape. The irregular shapes, they have no lines of symmetry. So now we'll see the symmetric figures in the geometrical shapes. What is this? It's a square. It has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. See, I'll fold it now. First fold, edges match exactly. So this is one way we can fold, and open it, and I can fold it the other way I'm folding. Okay, this also edges are matching. Then fold it along the corners. See, you get 2 equal parts. Then fold it along this corner. Even then you get 2 parts are matching with each other. We get 2 equal parts. So this square has how many lines of symmetry? You can see the foldings. 1, 2, you have it a square like this. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines of symmetry. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. What is this? What's this figure? It's a rectangle. So let us fold and check. See, one fold. It divides into 2 equal parts, matches exactly. Then this way you fold, matches exactly. And as you fold it in the square, you fold along, try to fold along the corners. Try to fold along the corners. Does it match with each other? No. So rectangle cannot be folded along this, the opposite corners. You can have only this one we can fold, this way we can fold, and this way we can fold. So how many lines of symmetry for a rectangle? 2 lines of symmetry, 1 and 2. Like this, it doesn't match exactly. So 2 lines of symmetry. And take a circle, fold it. 1, 2, see, it matches. 3, it exactly matches, divides into 2 equal parts. Now fold. Now see, you fold it into how much ever folds you can make. Just fold it. So any number of folds you fold, the circle, the edges will match exactly. So the circle has, for all the folds, and open it, you can see the folds. The circle has many number of lines of symmetry, many lines of symmetry, countless lines of symmetry. You can fold it into how much ever you possible, however thin possible you fold, it can be folded equally. So it has countless number of symmetry, that is many lines of symmetry for a circle. Now we'll write the lines of symmetry for the figures given in the book. What is this? It's a square. We checked how many we had square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has 4 lines of symmetry. And for rectangle, how many we had? For rectangle, this way 1 fold and 2 folds. So 2 lines of symmetry. And see, for a triangle now. If you take a triangle, you take this is a triangle. Here all the 3 sides are equal. In this triangle, all these 3 sides are equal. So we can fold it like this. It matches exactly. Then we fold it along this corner. Now you fold it along this corner. The line goes like this. See, it divides into equal parts. Now fold along the third corner, this corner. See the line, you can see the fold. So how many folds we can make? Can you see the foldings? How many? 1, 2 and 3. So triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. And look at this figure. Now I have that same figure, this arrow mark. How can you fold? You can see the foldings. Only this folding will divide this figure into 2 equal parts. You fold it like this. Does it match exactly? No. So this arrow mark has only 1 line of symmetry. And we naturally umbrella, you all would have seen umbrella. Only in the middle of the umbrella, if you draw a line, it divides into 2 equal parts. So umbrella has 1 line of symmetry. And what is this coconut tree? You draw in the middle 1 vertical line like this. The only 1 line of symmetry. Now look at this figure, plus. What is it? Fold it. See, fold it like this. It matches exactly. Then fold it this way. Matches exactly. 2, we fold it like this and we fold it like this, vertical. Now fold along the corners. See, matches exactly. I'm sorry. Now this, fold along the corners. Fold along the corners. It matches. And fold along the other corner. So it matches. So it matches in 4 ways. So how many lines of symmetry for this? 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines of symmetry for this plus. And this is called hexagon. What is it? This is the hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides are there. So all this, first we'll fold along the corners. This corner you fold. Matches. Okay. Now fold along this line. It matches exactly. Then second line we folded. Then this corner. Along the 6 corners it will match exactly. Then here the center of this side. matches. Then along this corner, it matches. Then along this side, the side, center of the side, midpoint of the side. See, it matches exactly. This will match exactly if you fold it. Then along this corner, look at it. It matches so exactly. So how many folds we have done? You can see I've drawn line. This is first fold. 1, and this is 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because you can't count this again. Don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and all. Because the same lines comes here. This is 1. And this is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And here 6. This we cannot take because when we started here, the same line ends here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines of symmetry for this figure. Okay. And next one is the diamond. See the shape, diamond. Okay. Fold it. One fold. Yes. Divides into 2 equal parts. Then how can we fold? This way. Yes. Divides into 2 equal portions you get. Now fold along the sides here like this. Can you? Does it match? See, it doesn't match. So like a square, we cannot fold along the sides. Only along the corners we can fold. So this diamond shape has 2 lines of symmetry. 1 and 2. So it has 2 lines of symmetry. And what is this? It's a funnel which we use to pour oil and all. So at the center, we have draw one line of symmetry. So it has 1 line of symmetry. Now we'll see some lines of symmetry. Now let us see in alphabets, English alphabet. So interesting it is. See, how can you draw? See, when you draw this straight line, this is called the vertical line of symmetry. What is it called? Vertical line of symmetry. So you draw straight line. A is divided into 2 equal portions. So it has 1 line of symmetry. When you are straight upright line, it is called vertical line of symmetry. And for B, how to draw? If you draw like this, it is divided into 2 equal parts. So this is horizontal line of symmetry. When you draw straight, it is vertical line of symmetry. When you draw a line like this, that is sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line, it is horizontal line of symmetry. And for C, how can we draw? Like this. So like this, you can check for all the English alphabets. How many lines of symmetry are there? Now, for example, I have done 3. Now, we'll see the numbers now. 1, 2, 3. How can we draw? Here 1 line of symmetry. Is there only 1? Can we draw one more? Any other? Okay, here. This portion and this portion. These both are equal. And for 2, can you draw a line of symmetry? It is irregular shape. So it has no line of symmetry. And for 3, yes, we can draw. What is this line of symmetry is called? It is horizontal line of symmetry. Can you draw one more line for this? If you draw like this, is it divided into 2 equal parts? No. So 3 has only 1 line of symmetry. Now if you see some Tamil alphabets, which are the Tamil alphabets having line of symmetry? I can think of only Pa and Ya. Pa. Like this. Vertical line of symmetry. Can you draw one more? Any other? This way can we draw? No, it doesn't divide into 2 equal parts. And Ya. Like this. It has 1 line of symmetry. Now check for these alphabets. F. Can you draw a line of symmetry? This way, is it divided into 2 equal parts? This way? No, no way we can draw line of symmetry for this because it is irregular shape. G. Same way. J, L, whether horizontal or vertical or slanting. However, it is not divided into 2 equal. Even if you fold it this way also, this line will not match with this line. Suppose if you're having a line, you fold it, this line will not match with this line. Even N has no line of symmetry because this is looking down and this is looking up. And P, no line of symmetry. Q, R, S, Z, all these letters, they don't have line of symmetry. Okay. Now let us quickly recall what we have studied. So circle has how many lines of symmetry? Guess quickly. Yes, many lines of symmetry. Square, 4 lines of symmetry. Rectangle, good, 2 lines of symmetry. Triangle, where all the sides are equal, 3 lines of symmetry. Then the letter K, has it got line of symmetry? Yes, it has 1 line of symmetry this way. And for the number 4, can you draw? Yes, you are right, no line of symmetry. And what is this? It's an irregular shape. Does it have a line of symmetry? Think. Yes, you are right. No line of symmetry. And the letter H, how many lines of symmetry it has? 1 vertical and 1 horizontal. Yes, right. 2 lines of symmetry. And the number 8, One horizontal, one vertical. We can draw two lines of symmetry. So I hope you have understood. I think you all got everything correct. So you have understood the concept correctly. Now, before we finish, let me give you all an activity. Take your notebook and write all the English alphabets from A to Z and draw lines of symmetry for all the alphabets. If they have, they draw. If they don't have, you write no line of symmetry. Similarly, for the numbers from 0 to 9, write all the numbers and draw lines of symmetry and check how many lines of symmetry they have or whether they don't have a line of symmetry, and enjoy the concept of symmetry. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.